In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up remote play on your PlayStation 5 backbone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you will have to take some steps on your actual PlayStation console, and then you will be able to finish them up using your phone. To start, on the PlayStation console itself, go over to the settings and access the system category. So under settings, go to system. Inside of the system options, you will find remote play. So highlight remote play and make sure that enable remote play is enabled. Once this option is enabled, now your PlayStation 5 console will be able to connect to the PlayStation Remote Play app. Now, using your phone, download the PlayStation Remote Play application. You can find it available on the Play Store or the App Store. It's available for free, and all that you need to do is sign in with your PlayStation Network account. So, download this app, and you will choose between connecting it to a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. Since we are showcasing this process with a PlayStation 5 for this video, you choose this option here. But of course, if you want to try it out with your PlayStation 4, you can as well. Usually, it will automatically detect and connect to your console. As long as both your phone and the console itself are on the same Wi-Fi network in close proximity of each other, this will be enough for them to connect. And with this done, you can now use your backbone in conjunction with the PlayStation Remote Play app. If you see the PlayStation Remote Play app here directly on the Backbone app, you can also just launch it through the Backbone app itself. It doesn't really matter. Either way, Remote Play will start and you can control your PlayStation 5 using your Backbone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.